two different while loops are concentric and lie in the same plane, the current in the outer loop I is clockwise and increases with time. The induced current in the inner loop is, right? So in the outer loop, the current I is increasing with respect to time. And this outer loop will create a magnetic field into the page where inner loop is located, right? So right at the center of this loop, the magnetic field is given by mu naught I by 2 times of R1, where R1 is the radius of the outer. Now, since current is increasing, the magnetic field created by this loop also increases, right? So when magnetic field is increasing, this particular magnetic field is passing through the second loop. So the flux passing through the second loop is given by area of the second loop into magnetic field created by the first loop. That is pi times of R2 square into V1, right? So because of this flux, right, there is a change in flux, and EMF is also induced, which is given by minus of d phi by dt, right? That would be minus of pi R2 square into mu naught by 2 R1 into di by dt, right? Now, since magnetic field is increasing or the flux is increasing for the second loop, it will try to oppose the change. In order to oppose the change, it has to create a magnetic field which is out of the page, like this. Yeah, it is out of the page. In order to that happen, it has to, the induced current should flow in anti-clockwise direction, right? So we can say that the induced current in the inner loop is in counterclockwise direction.